The aircraft will take off, performing a maximum angle climb, demonstrating its impressive power and the ability to depart an airport where enemy resistance is suspected. With a departure climb angle of over 25 degrees, nose up, the aircraft will reach over 1,500 feet before crossing the departure end of the runway. We have Lieutenant Colonel Brian Phillips, Captain Will Hutsey, and Captain Spencer Dewey. To fly the C-17. The aircraft's advanced design allows it to accomplish its entire mission with this minimum crew. The C-17 is while passing show center. This gives the Globemaster a tactical advantage while flying low over hostile territory, and it's also environmentally friendly. C-17 provides a direct delivery capability that combines the intercontinental cargo carrying capabilities of a large aircraft, such as the C-5 Galaxy, with the short runway capability of the much smaller C-130 Hercules. It can routinely land on runways only 3,500 feet long. The C-17 is powered by four Pratt & Whitney F-117 engines. These are the same engines used by the Boeing 757. Each engine delivers over 40,000 pounds of thrust. This amount of thrust allows the Globemaster III to carry over 170,000 pounds of cargo. The range of the C-17 with this amount of cargo is 2,400 nautical miles. However, the C-17 can reach anywhere in the world non-stop using its air refueling capability. As the aircraft passes, please notice the wing's leading edge slats and large power lift wing flaps. These devices literally change the shape of the C-17 wing and are the key to its low final approach speed, enabling this aircraft to land and stop in short distances. pounds. But with maximum cargo and fuel loaded, that gross weight raises to over 500,000 pounds. Notice the upturn winglets. These decrease aerodynamic drag and increase fuel economy. And to give you a better idea of how big this aircraft is, those winglets over 9 feet tall. Extremely agile with both high and low speeds, making it easy to operate in any tactical situation, including the combat delivery capability of paratrooper or heavy equipment. The C-17 uses a quadruple redundant fly-by-wire system to run its flight controls. The fly-by-wire system means the aircraft's flight controls are electronically operated by inputs from the control sticks. There are 4 separate flight control computers. Each one can manage the entire system by itself. The computers continuously monitor the flight controls and each other. If there are any problems, they automatically work around the disabled system. In addition to these features, the C-17 still has a mechanical backup. Short field runway. This short field capability allows the C-17 Globemaster III to land at over 6,000 more airfields worldwide than currently available to the C-5 Galaxy or commercial wide-bodied aircraft. In fact, the C-17 has made short field landings in Bosnia, Albania, Iraq, Afghanistan, Haiti, El Salvador, and many other countries, while boasting an impressive reliability rate. The C-17 you see today weighs almost 340,000 pounds. On final, its speed is approximately 120 miles per hour. Simulating arrival to an airfield with hostile forces nearby. This approach tactic can also be used from very high altitude to avoid enemy fire. The C-17 made its inaugural flight in September of 1991. Since then, the C-17 has set over 20 world records, including payload to altitude and time to climb records. Boeing delivered the first operational C-17 to Charleston Air Force Base in June of 1943. Now the crew will demonstrate a very short landing distance with only 1,500 feet. C-17 engines have a unique characteristic. you've seen here today are representative of those flown by our operational air crews every day, as they provide the highly responsive and flexible airlift capability for America. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes today's demonstration of the C-17 Globemaster III and just some of its unique capabilities. On behalf of the men and women of the United States Air Force, Air Mobility Command, and Charleston Air Force Base, we thank you for being with us today. We hope you enjoy this brief look at the C-17 Globemaster III, the United States Air Force's core airlifter and workhorse, providing rapid global mobility for America, today, tomorrow, and into the 21st century.